Okay, so this is a quick video on how to use your HyperHeater with your Pro Pack. If you're going to do this, make sure you use this outside in a well-ventilated area. So here's how you're going to connect your HyperHeater to your RinseKit PRO Pack. First, you want to take the nozzle and use the quick disconnect, and then go ahead and attach the RinseKit to the back of the HyperHeater. Then you want to take the power supply, open up the 12-volt socket right here, plug it in. Now you can go ahead and turn on the RinseKit PRO Pack. And then you can also turn on the HyperHeater, and the heater will automatically turn on. If you're dealing with really cold water inside your RinseKit and you want to preheat it before it goes through the HyperHeater, the way you can do that is to basically disconnect the nozzle from the HyperHeater and put it directly inside the water tank. So effectively what you can do is take the water from the Pro Pack, which is cold, run it through the heater, and then you can take the outlet and put it back inside the water tank in the Pro Pack, and this will preheat the water inside of here.